Alright, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing another unboxing because all it ever seems to do is that I order shit all the time and nothing else and just waste my money. But anyway, today I'm back with another unboxing and Sabrina's here with me. Hi Sabrina. Damn, she packaged this good. Ooh. Honestly, to see someone put so much care into this, like, even though it's just like a $40 doll, like from like 20 years ago, it's still, it's nice to know that some people share the same affinity for the same thing that I do, and they put in the same care that I would put into it. Oh shoot! Okay, now this was a real surprise. I literally thought this was something else. This is the one from my childhood. My mom had this one in my grandma's bathroom downstairs, or Nana put it in her bathroom. I don't know who, but this is the one that was always in the downstairs bathroom. So this one, we had her out of the box. And she sat on the spare paper towel, toilet paper roll. Well, obviously, I saw her in the box when I ordered her, but honestly, I didn't even know, like, for real, when I saw her, I didn't know. Ooh. Damn. I'm trying to have a moment here.